If you've upgraded your mask, is there a way to sanitize it to be worn again? Well, you may have seen the paper bag trick on your social media feeds.
Yeah, evidently a way to sanitize and reuse your mask by putting your mask inside the paper bag. KN95's Lindsay Mills verifies if there's really truth to this trick.
The type of mask you use has probably evolved over the pandemic. If you've recently upgraded to a surgical mask or KN95 or an N95 mask, you're probably missing the convenience of being able to wash it and reuse a cloth mask. But there's a lot of chatter online about a paper bag trick, like this post on Instagram that shows how to sanitize your mask in a paper bag to be worn again. Is there any truth to this trick? Our sources are Dr. Joe Gastaldo from Ohio Health and Dr. Jessica Shepard, Chief Medical Officer of Verywell Health, based in New York.
The concern about wearing a mask in public, obviously, is if you get particles on it, perhaps even the virus. But if you store it in a dry bag, you are essentially sanitizing it again over a period of time. The KN95 masks do work well, assuming that it is a FDA authorized mask.
So it's not the bag that's doing the magic trick. It's actually the process of keeping the mask, one, away from decontaminating someone else or a surface, and also keeping a dry environment in order for the virus to not spread or stay on the mask.
Our experts recommend storing your mask in a paper bag for 24 to 48 hours in a dry place. So we can verify it's true. You can sanitize your mask in a paper bag so it can be worn again. This is not recommended for healthcare workers, but for you and me, it can extend the life of something we use every day. And thinking about upgrading your mask from a cloth one, our experts say now is the time to do that.
And you really want to think about having the highest quality of mask as possible. When it comes to how a mask performs, the ones that perform the best in public filter up to 95% of particles at 0.3 microns. And in that regard, you have to use an N95 mask. But I think what's more available for the public are KN95 masks.
The thing really is making sure that you can have access to a mask, period. But if you do have the ability to choose between a cloth and an N95, the better option is going to be the N95.
Have something you'd like us to verify? Send us an email to verify@10tv.com. With your Verify, I'm Lindsay Mills.